Yes, my people, good day. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is a Chevrolet Sonic 1.4, quote unquote, an economy car. They make it affordable. Little, small car, zip around town, inexpensive. A radiator is going to go bad. Any vehicle. But check this out. Looking up the repair information now, see if I can put this estimate together. Doing a radiator in that Sonic with an automatic transmission. You see the note, what it puts here? It says, does not include refrigerant recovery or evacuate or recharge AC system. So before we add the AC stuff to it, it is already 4.7, almost 5 hours labor just to put a radiator in this compact car. Then we go add time to that now for the refrigerant, evacuate and recharge. That's easily going to be 5.5, 6 hours labor plus the cost of the part. And this is supposed to be an economy car. So now Chevrolet, don't tell you that up front. It's like, yeah, man, it's cheap, man, go ahead and buy it. But then you have this exorbitant repair costs and basic repairs. A radiator is plastic, it's going to go bad. Why would you bury it and attach it to the AC condenser? The fact of the matter is, it's cheaper for Chevrolet and all these manufacturers, not just them. It's cheaper for them to make it like that in a modular fashion when they're manufacturing it, putting it together, slap it together like that. The money stays in their pocket. They pass it on to you. Now, if you put a radiator in, I'm going to tell you in your little Sonic, it's $1,500 to do that. Radiator. Boy, and radiator not even that expensive. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.